Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about adding some really awesome privacy screens or camping shades to the windows for my Model Y. The company Havnby sent me these over. I'm really excited to get into them today with you guys. Havnby makes one of the best camping mattresses that I've used for my Model Y. It's got foam, it's got air in it. It's a really cool mattress. I'm really excited to see the quality they bring with these window shades. Let's get into it. So as we jump right into the unboxing here, I want to show you everything that comes in these window shade packages from Havnby. I've installed window shades before that are kind of clumsy and don't really do a good job. These ones are going to be incredible. The way they attach is unique. I've never seen anything like this before. So I think you guys will find this pretty cool too. So you get this awesome carrying case right off the bat, and it kind of shows you what's going to be coming with it. 2 of the side window shades, 1 for your windshield, 1 for your rear hatch of your Model Y, then your back doors, and also some little triangles that go in these little tiny windows in the back of kind of your Model Y here. So we'll start with those. They get their own little carrying spot right in the pouch. There's these little kind of rigid type plastic, and they'll just cover those little tiny windows. Has a little pull tab on it, so that's really nice too. Let's get in the package here. And it's super soft. You can tell they're high quality. So right away, everything is kind of in its own little pouch, if you can see that. It's kind of like designated where things go. So let's pull one out and see kind of what we find here. So as you find one, and it should tell you kind of where it goes, this one's going to be our front windshield shade. And you can kind of see right here, it kind of lays right here, inner side. This is going to kind of tell you how it goes. That's going to go around your actual rear view mirror. These are going to be little pockets for your sun visors that you pull down. You insert your sun visors in there, and then there's some Velcro on it. That's really cool. It's a really nice material, really kind of great feeling. So I'll show you how to set all this up as we get through this unboxing. This one right here looks like, I'm not entirely sure. Let's see if it'll tell us what this one's for. I think this is for our, yeah, this one's going to be for our rear window right here, a rear window hatch. So you can kind of see how it's kind of fit all together here. So I'll show you how to install that one. Then over here should be all of our window sides for all the side windows. As we open one up, there's 2 of them in there. So you can see there's a little kind of stretchy part. This goes over the actual window. So it kind of encapsulates the window kind of like a glove. Rather than trying to like stick it up in the window from the inside and making a huge mess, these fit over your windows. So it's really cool how they install. So you get 2 of those. And right here should be the other set. Exact same kind of design and purpose for your other side windows. A nice stretchy area around the bottom to encapsulate your whole window, and a nice place to attach them over your mirrors here. So really cool already. And this is going to be super easy to install and set up. I know it kind of looks like a big mess right now, but I'm excited to get them installed. So let's go work our way around the car. We're going to install them one by one. I'll show you how to do it all. So starting on the passenger side, I have the actual shade here that fits on the passenger side. And you can tell because it has kind of a cutout right down in this area where it's going to fit over our mirror here. So as we open this up, it's just kind of like putting on a glove or putting on a sleeve over the window. You find the whole area, slide it right on, kind of just line it up. And this kind of stretchy part fits right over your kind of passenger side mirror. So just kind of get it nice and stretched out. There's the seam right here, and just kind of get that at the top of your window. It's kind of how you want it. Stretch it out nice, and then close your door. And you got a perfectly attached and covered side shade. It's really nice. You might have to just kind of pull that down so it gets you nice coverage, but that's completely secure. Very easy to install from the outside of the car. I'm not having to mess around to get in there to put the sunshades up. Really nice, and it's really greatly kind of attached and secure. And you can open your doors without risk of anything falling down as you put in the sunshade. So that's really nice. Let's move to the back door. So the rear passenger doors are very similar to the front. Go ahead and open it up. When you do that, you'll see your rear passengers have this little tiny kind of hook or little kind of loop right here. That's going to hook around the front side of your door to help keep the sunshade nice and low. So I'm going to try to do this without getting in the way too much. Slip it on, and I'm going to take that loop and just kind of hook it around that side of my door. So it actually just kind of latches right there and gets closed in the door to help keep the sunshade down. And this side, just pull it down over your door right here, and then kind of give it a close. And it keeps it nice and secure all the way along. You can see how that loop still kind of attaches right around the door there. You get a nice, perfect kind of protection and privacy all the way around the side of your Model Y. Let's keep going. So moving to the window shade for the rear tailgate here, you kind of see it's a little bit different than the other ones. It has these two kind of hook and loop features, which are going to go around these little posts right here to start. Let's go ahead and start there. Just one hook a loop around, boom. We'll do this on the other side. One hook and loop around to get it kind of secure and attached there. You'll see on the sides here, they're kind of weighted. There's little magnets. So these are going to just kind of stick up on the kind of metal part of your tailgate. Then you have a couple loops here and one loop on the back. Let me move the camera back so you can see what I'm going to do next. So you'll see right up here on your actual tailgate, that's where these loops are going to go. So this one's going to go around that one. Put this one up around this side. And then you get one final long string, if you can see where I'm going to attach this, all the way around your actual kind of little feature down here. Then you got a nice kind of private sunshade all the way around. It's going to cover anyone from looking in. You can adjust these magnets too, so they kind of fit all the way around. And there you go. You got nice coverage all the way around. Let's close it and see how any of those interactions work. I'm just going to close right down on there. Perfect. No issue at all. Let's open it back up. And there you go. Perfect protection all the way around your Model Y for privacy. So let's quickly install the actual driver's side doors here, or the driver's side window shades. Do the same thing where I have that loop feature here over on the left. Go ahead and put this on the window itself. I'm going to latch that little loop around the front of the car. Just like that. And we're good to go. Pull this one down, kind of over that way. Give it a close, and it closes perfectly. And one final sunshade over here on the driver's side. Go ahead and open your door. Make sure you have it where the hole for your mirror is lining out. Find that part, throw it over the window. And around your mirror. Go ahead and line up that seam on the top. And line it up down here, pull it over the back. Close your door. Perfect. So last but not least is the front windshield shade to cover up our massive windshield here. So I have it set up to the inner side. I'm going to go ahead and throw it around my rear view mirror first. Get that kind of slipped in. And then I'm going to slip in my window visors here into kind of the provided pocket. And that just kind of fits right up in there. Then you can push that forward and that kind of secures it to the top. You get a nice Velcro strip along the right here, but let's do this little sun visor real quick. It's nice and tight, fits really well. I'm gonna scoot that to the front too. You get these little foam little foam pieces. They're kind of squishy. And so those are gonna sit right up on that front of that windshield. So you can kind of tuck it in up there. So once you kind of squish in those front pieces, you get a nice kind of protection all the way along the front there. Just kind of squish them against your kind of your dashboard and your windshield there. The final thing is you kind of attach the Velcro side pieces over on the right there and over here on the left when you close this door. So super simple and really easy all the way around. I think it looks great. So one of the last steps is installing your little triangle sections in the windows back here. So kind of line it up and just force it, kind of in there, and it fits really well. Kind of covers up all the glass and things. Make sure you have your little side loop on the outside so you can pull them down when you're done. So we got the sunshades all installed, and I kind of wanted to give you just a preview of what it looks like in the full sun. I backed out the car into the driveway, and it's really dark in here. I have my sunshade closed, my electronic sunshade, but this is all the curtains installed. It's very private, and you can't see anything from inside or outside the car. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think overall it took me about, 5 minutes to get all of the sunshades installed. And I really like how it all attaches. This nice Velcro makes a perfect seam all the way along here. That's really nice. The sunshades go all the way down, so there's no kind of peaking or anything like that. Very high quality, and I really like them a lot. So in this time lapse, I'm doing So I wanted to show how quickly I could take down all the sunshades and pack them back into the bag. So I'm doing a little time lapse now to show you guys how quickly the sunshades come off the car. I can easily put them back and roll them up, put them all back in their bag where they're supposed to go. Super quick, super convenient. So what else is there to say about these awesome window shades from Havnby? I really like the design and I like the style of them. They're very unique. I haven't seen any other window shades for the Model Y that fit over the entire window. I have reviewed other window shades on my channel where you kind of see me struggling to put them up from the inside, where I kind of just try to fit it in the window, and it's really kind of cumbersome. And then you can't open the doors. Whenever you open the door, the window is holding it in place, so when you open the door, it falls out. So if you ever need to get anything in the front or even the back seats of your Model Y, you're not able to do it because the side shades will just fall out and you got to re-put them back in. And it's really kind of cumbersome. This style where they attach over the window and you easily just install it that way, they stay there, they cinch up nice and tight, and they're really protected from the elements and from everything else. I really like that design. I think these sunshades will last a long time. I love how they fit and the design of them. I think it's really cool. The windshield one, where it kind of attaches on your front visors, then you tuck it down in there, takes a little bit longer to set up than maybe some normal windshield sunshades. So I wouldn't use that every day. This is like specifically if I want to go camping, if I really want privacy around my entire car. If I'm trying to block out the sun or the heat, they make sunshades for those that just unfold with those wire frames and stick in there. That's probably what I'd recommend for that. But if I'm going camping and want to use an entire system for privacy, this is what I'm going to go with. Well, thank you guys for coming back and watching another video here on the channel. If you're interested in these sunshades, I'll have a link to them down below in the description. Always use discount code GAMBLE1080 when you shop at Havnby. It saves you 5% right now. It's not a lot, but it's something to help save, and these aren't available anywhere else. If you're interested in the mattress review that I did on my absolute favorite camping mattress, also from Havnby, it's a 4.5-inch thick memory foam air mattress. It's extremely comfortable. It has a built-in pump. I did a full review on it on my channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description below, so you can check out that and maybe pick up a set of these and save some money. Use code GAMBLE1080 whenever you shop there at Havnby, and it'll save you on both. So appreciate you guys coming back to the channel as well. If you're interested in anything else I use for my Tesla camping, check out my Amazon store. I have a section in there specifically on Tesla camping, how I charge, some of the other sunshades I've used, the cooler we use, things like that are all in that Amazon store. So check it out. Thank you guys again for coming back. I appreciate all the support on the channel. What sunshades do you use? Let me know if you're interested in picking up a set of these, or if you have a better idea of what other sunshades you've used for privacy when you camp in your Model Y. I'd be happy to hear about it. I think that's it. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day.